Good morning, sir. I am Hrishabh Jain and I am currently pursuing B.Tech in Computer Science Engineering. The topic of my today's presentation is 6G wireless communication systems, and I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. Kapil Kumar Nagunshi, sir, who has guided me throughout this research. Okay, so let's get started. So let's see what are we going to learn through this presentation today. First, we'll be going to cover the introductory part of the topic. Then we'll be looking at mobile technology, wireless networks, trends in mobile applications, and we'll also be covering different prospects and applications of 6G wireless communications. And at the end, we'll see various specifications and requirements. Let's start with the introduction of our topic. So before knowing about 6G wireless communication systems, let's first see the meaning of wireless communications. Transmission of information between two or more points which are physically disconnected is wireless communications. Distances can vary from short, which is used for television remote control, and even far, which is used for deep space radio communications. With the full support of artificial intelligence, the sixth generation system, a new paradigm of wireless communication, is expected to be deployed between 2027 to 2030. We are heading towards a society which has fully automated and remote management systems. Various emerging applications like artificial intelligence, 3D media, virtual reality, and IoE, which is Internet of Everything, has resulted in a huge amount of volume of traffic. Millions of sensors will be installed into vehicles, cities, industries, homes, foods, and other environments for a smart life and automated systems. Although the 5G communication systems will proffer noteworthy advancements over the existing systems, they won't be able to fulfill the needs of future rising automation systems and intelligent after 10 years. The 6G system would also resume the tendencies of the previous generations, which involved new services with the inclusion of latest technologies. The latest services include AI, implants, smart wearables, computing reality devices, autonomous vehicles, 3D mapping, and sensing. The supreme demand for 6G wireless networks is the ability of handling tremendous volumes of data and very high data rate connectivity per device. Mobile technology. Mobile technology is a portable technology. Various tasks can be executed anywhere and at any time. It lets those tasks to be carried out via cellular phone and laptops, GPS route framework, a web browser, vehicles, and instant messenger framework. A video gaming framework, there are numerous transferring medium like microwave, radio wave, infrared, GPS, and Bluetooth, which are used to interchange of information by means of content, voice, video, two-dimensional barcodes, and the sky is the limit from there. Now let's have a look at some of the advantages and disadvantages of mobile technology. Advantages: excessive speed. In this era, most of us are not that much patient, so speed really affects us a lot. Higher efficiency, reduced cost of operations, endless possibilities, increased availability of social networking. Disadvantages: new technologies and devices are often costly. Security issues, like we get to see a lot of cybercrimes nowadays. Lack of information control. Anyone can spread any kind of information no matter what it is real or fake. Workplace distractions. Wireless networks. 6G introduced to integrate 5G with satellite networks for worldwide coverage. It provides high data rates and fast internet speed to retrieve on air through wireless communication and mobile devices with data ambits up to 11 Gbps when traveling far away distances. The goal of 6G technology is to give multimedia, internet connectivity, and weather information to mobile users. Nano antenna, which is designed, is executed at different geographical locations like airports, along roadsides, malls, villages, hospitals to broadcast fast electromagnetic signals. The globe is adorned by many fly sensors with the assistance of 6G technology. They will give details to their distant observer station. The point-to-point wireless communication networks transfer super-fast broadband signals through the air at high-speed optical fiber lines to transfer the safe details from senders to destinations. Now let's have a look at 5G technology. Fifth generation technology, 5G technology, was started in 2010. It provides the connectivity speed up till 25 Mbps. It keeps up the private virtual network. The speed of uploading and downloading the file is very fast. It consumes less battery and strong bandwidth up till 40 megahertz. It's cheap in rates and can be utilized by multi-user. 5G is fully wireless communication with no limitations. Advantages of 5G: high resolution and bidirectional large bandwidth shaping, technology to collect all networks on single platform, more effective and efficient, easily manageable with the previous generations, technologically sound to assist heterogeneous services comprising private network. Besides all these advantages, it has some disadvantages as well, like high cost, infrastructure, security issues. Technology is still under process and research on its viability is still going on. Now let's study about 6G. 6G technology. Sixth generation technology, 6G technology, is proposed to consolidate 5G technology for a worldwide coverage. For resource monitoring and weather info, multimedia video, and fast internet connectivity, and the Earth picturing satellite networks are utilized to integrate these three kinds of satellite like telecommunication, navigation, multimedia networks, which give worldwide positions, internet connectivity with high speed, and for mobile users, weather info services are three key targets of 6G technology. The 6G system is predicted to give simultaneous wireless connectivity that is 1,000 times higher than 5G. The 6G system will be operated by many technologies. Let's have a look at some of the advantages of 6G technology. The 6G system will increase performance and maximize user QoS several folds more than 5G, along with some exciting features. It will protect the system and secure the user data. It is envisioned that the bit rate in 6G will be approximately 1 TB per second in many cases. The most exciting feature of 6G is the inclusion of fully supported artificial intelligence for driving autonomous systems. Video type traffic is likely to be dominant among various data traffic systems in 6G communications. The most important requirement for 6G wireless networks is the capability of handling massive volumes of data and very high data rate connectivity per device, used in the production of energy from galactic world. Space technology and defense applications will be modified with 6G networks, home-based ATM systems, satellite-to-satellite communication for the development of mankind. Let's see some trends in mobile communications. Since the beginning of the first analog communication system in the 1980s, a new generation of communication systems has been introduced almost every 10 years. It is expected that the global mobile traffic volume will increase 670 times in 2030 as compared with the mobile traffic in 2010. The International Telecommunication Union (ITU) forecasted that by the end of 2030, the overall mobile data traffic volume will exceed 5 zettabyte per month. The number of mobile subscriptions will reach 17.1 billion as compared with 5.32 billion in 2010. Moreover, the use of M2M connectivity will also increase exponentially. The volume of a mobile device in 2010 was 5.3 GB per month. However, this volume will increase 50 times in 2030. The number of M2M subscription will increase 33 times in 2020 and 455 times in 2030 as compared with 2010. Prospects and applications. AI will be integrated into the AI will be integrated into the 6G communication systems. All the network instrumentation, management, physical layer, signal processing, resource management, service-based communications, and so on will be incorporated by using AI. It will foster the Industry 4.0 revolution, which is the digital transformation of industrial manufacturing. Super smart society. The superior features of 6G will accelerate the building of smart societies, leading to life quality improvements, environmental monitoring, and automation using artificial intelligence-based machine-to-machine communication and energy harvesting. The 6G wireless connectivity will make our society super smart through the use of smart mobile devices, autonomous vehicles, and so on. Extended reality. Extended reality services, including augmented reality, mixed reality, and virtual reality, are key attributes of 6G communication systems. All these features make use of 3D objects and artificial intelligence as their key driving elements. Besides providing perceptual needs for computing, cognition, storage, human senses, and physiology, 6G will provide a truly immersive AR, MR, VR experience by joint design integration and high quality 6G wireless connectivity. Connected robotics and autonomous systems. Currently, a number of automotive technology researchers have been investigating automated and connected vehicles. The 6G systems help in the deployment of connected robots and the autonomous systems. The drone delivery UAV system is an example of such a system. Internet of Everything. IoE is the seamless integration and autonomous coordination among a very large number of computing elements and sensors, objects or devices, people, processes and data using the internet infrastructure. The 6G system will provide full IoE support. It is basically a kind of Internet of Things IoT, but it's an umbrella term that integrates the four properties such as data, people, processes and physical devices in one frame. Five sense information transfer. To experience the world around them, humans use their five senses of hearing, sight, taste, smell, and touch. The 6G communication systems will remotely transfer data obtained from the five senses. This technology uses the neurological process through sensory integration. Automation and manufacturing. Full automation based on artificial intelligence will be provided by 6G. The term automation refers to the automatic control of processes, device, and systems. The 6G automation systems will provide highly reliable, scalable, and secure communications using high data rate and low latency networks. The 6G system will also provide network integrity because it ensures error-free data transfer without any data loss between transmission and reception. Now let's move to the last topic of this presentation, specifications and requirements. 5G technologies have been associated with the trade-offs of several issues such as throughput, delay, energy efficiency, deployment cost, reliability, and hardware complexity. It is very likely that 5G will not be able to meet the market demands after 2030. Then 6G will fill the gap between 5G and the market demand. Based on the previous trends and predictions of future needs, the main objectives for the 6G systems are extremely high data rates per device, a very large number of connected devices, global connectivity, very low latency, lowering the energy consumption with battery-free IoT devices, ultra-high reliable connectivity, connected intelligence with machine learning capability. Few general requirements in network characteristics. Small cell networks. The idea of small cell networks has been introduced to improve the received signal quality as a consequence of throughput, energy efficiency, and spectral efficiency enhancement in cellular systems. As a result, small cell networks are an essential characteristic for the 5G and beyond 5G communication systems. Therefore, 6G communication systems also adopt this network characteristic. Ultra-dense heterogeneous networks. Ultra-dense heterogeneous networks will be another important characteristic of 6G communication systems. Multi-tier networks consisting of heterogeneous networks will improve the overall QoS and reduce the cost. Radar technology integrated with mobile technologies. High accuracy localization with communication is also one of the features of the 6G wireless communication system. Hence, radar systems will be integrated with 6G networks. New network characteristics. Satellites integrated network. To provide global mobile connectivity, 6G is expected to integrate with satellites. Integrating terrestrial, satellite, and airborne networks into a single wireless system will be crucial for 6G. In contrast to the earlier generation of wireless communication systems, 6G will be transformative and will update the wireless advancement from connected things to connected intelligence. Seamless integration of wireless information and energy transfer. The 6G wireless networks will also transfer power to charge battery devices such as smartphones and sensors. Hence, wireless information and energy transfer will be integrated. Ubiquitous Super 3D connectivity. Accessing the network and core network functionalities on drones and very low Earth orbit satellites will make the Super 3D connectivity in 6G ubiquitous. Now, I would like to conclude my presentation. Today, mobile phones consist of everything ranging from the smallest size, largest phone memory, speed dialing, video player, audio player, and camera, and so on. Recently, with the deployment of internets and Bluetooth technology, data sharing has become a child's play. The sixth generation 6G wireless mobile communication network integrates satellites for global coverage. It can be a combination of nanoco and artificial intelligence, where all the network operators will be connected to one single core as an evolution and explosion. Many will become extinct, but some will change the world. In 6G, the cost of mobile call will be relatively high, but in 7G, this problem will be improved, and the cost of call will be reduced, and lower level user will be benefited. Each generation of communication system brings a new and exciting features. Research on 6G is still in its infancy and in the study phase. Thank you so much.